What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hooked up with Levi over here on the Provo River again, doing some trout fishing. I'm trying to hook up on some brown trout. My little girl in the background waving at you. And it's a beautiful day. It's so beautiful. I'm wearing shorts today. It's just going to be a beautiful day. And just to let you guys know, not that it matters to you all, but this might be my last fishing video for a couple months. I'm having cervical spine surgery, cervical spine fusion done. I'm gonna have 3 metal plates put in my spine on March 28th in 1 week. So I'm pretty nervous, but I'll be sure to do my best to make some videos of like how to tie different knots and things that I've learned while I'm laid up in bed. All right, you guys. So let's do this. Let's set up our poles and let's get to slamming those fish. Yep, had a fish just chase it. All right, you guys, here goes my second cast. See if we can hook up. Oh, another one chased it. Oh. All right, let's cast it all the way out there. Oh, I had like 5 fish just chasing it right now. All right, you guys, my buddy Jackson just hooked up to his first brown trout using a Rapala. Let me see. Oh, you accidentally snagged him.
I'm trying to attack it.
But anyway, that's his first fish that he's caught on a river using a Rapala.
Can I throw it back?
So, yeah, you see if it'll swim though. You got to be careful with trout because they're not like bass. Oh yeah. They're not as resilient as bass. Good job, bud. Hey, Jackson, good job, dude. All right, you guys, so I broke the bill on my other lure. So I'm using a CD7, just a CD5, but a little bit bigger. See if that works. Here goes the first cast with the CD7. Nope. All right. So all these fish right here, I don't know if you guys can see with the camera, but there's probably like 12 fish right here, and there's probably like 15 or 20 fish up there. But I want to go in the deeper spot, so I'm gonna cast over there against the wall. Another branch, and it's caught in somebody else's line too. Okay, I got it out. Fish are just wanting bugs. I wish I had my fly rod with me. Oh, I'm getting snagged over here. Try not to cast right there then. All right. Oh, oh! La, he got off. I had one. Alright, you guys, we got everybody set up here. So we are ready to do some family fishing. Alright. Oh, nope, thought I had something. All the fish are right here, but I'm letting these girls try to hook up on their fish first. They've got a worm tied on theirs. I'm using a Rapala. Jackson's using a Rapala as well. Oh, oh, that was a bite. Well, we're getting bites. Did you have a bite? Hold it up tight. Yeah, so that you feel it. Just leave it there. If you get a bite, leave it until he starts to bite real hard. You want your pole to sit there and do this for a minute. Bounce up and down. Soraya, just let him bite it, sweetheart. Huh? No. Okay, well let it bite. You'll feel the bite better with your rod up more. Yeah, like that. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna come over here. I can see a few trout over here. See if I can hook up onto one. I might even end up on tying that smaller Rapala. Oh, there's a branch right there. Let's go downstream a little ways. Okay. Yeah, if I keep casting right here, I'm just gonna get snagged right here again. So I'm gonna go back over there, you guys. See all the fish just right there, babe. I'm surprised they're not biting your worm. Oh, are you? Okay. Well, oh, nope, it's a snag. It's on somebody's line. Maybe it's on your line, honey. No, it's not. I do not want to lose that Rapala. I've already lost one today. Alright, you guys, nothing on the Rapala yet. We kind of showed up here a little late, so we're not going to be staying too much later. So, and I want to catch some fish, so I always succeed in hooking up on some brown trout with the worm. They love the worm, so here goes the first cast with the worm. Come on, fishies. Oh, that was a big jump right there. Alright, I'm gonna cast over here. Here we go, guys. Here's a bite. All right, you guys. I got one on, but I'm snagged too. Oh, nope, I'm unsnagged. Here we go, guys. First fish of the day for me. Doesn't feel the biggest. Oh, it is big, and it is a beautiful rainbow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Check this fish out. Check this fish out, you guys. Try not to make him bleed. Alright, you guys. Check this beautiful rainbow out. It's probably a good 18 to 19 inch trout. Perfect set hook. Perfect hook set, I mean. Beautiful. Alright, let's get him unhooked and released. Alright, you guys, so like I said, that rainbow trout was, I tried to take the hook out and he ended up swallowing it down more and was bleeding, so I didn't want to just let him in the river to die, so we kept him. But so far Jackson's caught one, and he caught a little brown trout, and I've caught a big rainbow trout, and so we've only got 2 fish on so far, but and the sun's going down, but we're gonna do our best to try to catch a couple more. I'm going to be using the Rapala again. So here goes the first cast. Nothing. Alright, you guys, this is the end of our trip. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button and leave a like and leave a comment if you liked it. Sorry it was so short. We only ended up hooking into 2 fish, a little brown trout and a pretty big, decent sized rainbow trout. And sorry I didn't hook up on anything with the Rapala. That was my goal today, was to use my Rapala and hook up into some fish. But like I said, this might be my last video for a little while, you guys. I'm having cervical spine surgery. They're gonna put some plates in my neck. So anyway, wish me luck, and till then, we'll see you guys next time. All right, you guys.